Fire mechanic here. We have the 6-liter Chevy hybrid that we got all apart with the bad lifter in it. And I just wanted to do a follow-up video, show you guys what I found. These are the actual lifters I pulled out of it, and this has a variable displacement, and the lifter that actually failed in it was a variable displacement lifter. This is what they look like, and they have this extra spring on the top. But as you can see, this one's stuck compressed, and that's where we're getting the slop in the rocker arm. The regular lifters are, let's see, yeah, so this is a regular lifter, and then the variable displacement lifter, as you can see, has the extra spring on the top. When you replace these, you're also going to want to replace all these plastic guides. A lot of times those will crack. It's a good idea to order those. As you can see, I got new ones here. Also check all your push rods, you know, make sure nothing's bent and they're all nice and straight. On this one, we ended up putting a cam in it. Unfortunately, you can't really see if the cam's damaged until you actually get the heads off. As you can see, in the middle of that valley. Hold on, let me get a flashlight. You can see in the middle of the valley, it's all aluminum, so you can only see the first 2 lobes and the back 2 lobes until you actually get the cylinder heads off and you look down in the bore where the lifter was at. But as you can see, that's why the heads have to come off. This head actually sits right over the top of where that lifter, where the lifter would go, down inside that bore there. So if you do end up replacing the cam, this one was, I mean, it was starting to wear. Definitely not a bad idea to put it in there. We had no pitting yet though, so a lot of times in severe cases you'll see this will start pitting. We didn't have any of that. This one has a variable valve timing as well, so we had to pull the front timing gear off of it. You're going to want to replace this bolt if you do end up putting a cam in it. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on what we found on this 6.0 liter Chevy truck with the failed lifter problem. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the Flat Rate Mechanic.